Why should edges of the pothole be made straight and hard? Cutting the pothole edges square and solid creates a true mechanical and adhesive bond between the existing surface and the new repair material, so the patch carries load rather than peel away. Start by removing all loose debris and soft material. Then use a cold chisel or an edging tool to create vertical sides at least 2 inches deep, so the new material has full contact on all faces. For tarmac patches, compact a granular base and tack the vertical faces with a polymer bonding agent to enhance adhesion. And for concrete repairs, use an epoxy or cementitious bonding slurry applied to the cleaned surfaces. Match the patch material density and stiffness to the surrounding pavement. For example, use a dense hot mix or a high-performance cold mix designed for structural patches rather than a lightweight filler. Compact the repair in thin lifts with a hand tamper or plate compactor, feathering only at the very top to avoid creating weak, sloped edges that can break again. Keep traffic off the repair until the material has achieved its specified strength, and schedule inspections at 1 week and 1 month to check for settlement or edge breakdown. Common mistakes are cutting irregular, sloped edges that let the patch peel out under wheel load, using an uncompacted fill that settles and leaves voids, and relying on surface tack alone without addressing a degraded base. If edges are sloped or crumbly, recut them square and hard with a chisel or a powered cutter until you reach sound material. For poor compaction, remove the loose patch, regrade the base to a solid platform, add appropriate aggregate, and compact in thin layers until firm. If only a surface tack is used, apply a proper bonding agent to the cleaned vertical faces and ensure full contact area before placing the repair material. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for driveway repairs with local contractors and provides community discussion forums where people share real-world tips and contractor experiences. We help contractors find work by listing projects and enabling them to engage directly with homeowners and our discussion community.